Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Skyneural. Prosody rate equals -5%, pitch equals -2 Hz. Yo, I found something interesting, TBH. I kinda ignored this trending RK Royal KLUDGE at first, but yeah, break time equals 450 ms/turns turns out it's pretty decent. The more I used it, emphasis level equals moderate, the slash emphasis more it made sense. I can see why people are recommending it lately. Break time equals 450 ms/at break time equals 180 ms/, honestly looks more premium than I thought. Break time equals 180 ms/ngl. The finishing details are surprising. Break time equals 180 ms/ingly nice. And break time equals 180 ms/, honestly for the cost, it feels fair for what you get. Break time equals 450 ms/, see you in the next one. Break time equals 180 ms/, honestly. /prosody /voice /speak